How to speak fluent English in 2025. Speaking fluent English is a dream for many people. English is a global language, and being fluent in it can open doors to better jobs, travel opportunities, and communication with people from around the world. In 2025, there are many tools, methods, and techniques to help you become fluent in English. This video will explain the easiest ways to learn and improve your English step by step. Step 1. Understand why you want to learn English. Before you start learning, ask yourself why you want to speak fluent English. Understanding your reason will keep you motivated. Here are some common reasons. To get a better job, to travel easily, to make friends from other countries, to study in an English-speaking country. Write down your reason and look at it whenever you feel tired or frustrated. Step 2. Set a goal. Set a clear and realistic goal for your English learning journey. For example, I want to speak English confidently in 6 months. I want to understand English movies without subtitles. I want to pass the IELTS exam. A clear goal will help you focus and measure your progress. Step 3. Build a strong foundation. Fluent English starts with the basics. Here's how to build a strong foundation. 1. Learn basic grammar. Grammar helps you form correct sentences. Start with these: tenses, past, present, future. Subject-verb agreement, e.g., he is versus they are. Question formation, e.g., what is your name? 2. Build your vocabulary. Learn 5 to 10 new words every day. Focus on common words, e.g., house, food, school. Daily phrases, e.g., how are you? Thank you. Words related to your goal, e.g., business vocabulary if you work in an office. 3. Practice pronunciation. Good pronunciation makes your English easy to understand. Use these tips. Listen to native speakers. Repeat words and sentences. Use online tools like Google Translate or YouTube videos to hear correct pronunciation. Step 4. Practice speaking every day. The best way to speak fluent English is to practice speaking every day. Here's how. 1. Talk to yourself. Practice speaking English when you are alone. For example, describe what you are doing. I am cooking dinner. Talk about your day. Today, I went to the market. 2. Find a speaking partner. Practice with someone who knows English. This could be a friend or family member, a teacher, an online speaking partner. 3. Join an English conversation group. In 2025, many apps and websites connect English learners. Join a group to talk with people from around the world. Some popular platforms are Zoom, WhatsApp, Facebook groups. Step 5. Use technology to learn English. In 2025, technology makes learning English easy and fun. Here are some tools. Language learning apps. Use apps like Duolingo, HelloTalk, Babbel. These apps teach vocabulary, grammar, and speaking in simple and interactive ways. 2. Watch English videos. Watch YouTube videos, e.g., English with Altaf, English movies and TV shows, TED Talks. Turn on subtitles if you are a beginner. Later, try watching without subtitles. 3. Use AI tools. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you practice English. You can ask questions, practice writing and speaking, learn new words. Step 6. Read and write in English. Reading and writing improve your overall English skills. Here's how. 1. Read simple texts. Start with children's books, short stories, news articles for beginners. 2. Write every day. Write a diary about your day, messages to friends in English, comments on social media posts. Step 7. Listen to English daily. Listening helps you understand how English is spoken naturally. Try podcasts for English learners, audiobooks, songs with lyrics. Listen while you commute, exercise, or relax. Step 8. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Making mistakes is a normal part of learning. Remember, mistakes help you improve. Nobody speaks perfectly all the time. Focus on progress, not perfection. Step 9. Stay consistent and patient. Learning a language takes time. To stay consistent, practice for at least 30 minutes every day. Review what you learn regularly. Celebrate small achievements. Step 10. Surround yourself with English. Create an English environment around you. Change your phone's language to English. Label items in your house with their English names. Think in English instead of your native language. Bonus tips for 2025. 1. Use virtual reality, VR. VR apps can help you practice speaking in real-life situations like ordering food in a restaurant or shopping. 2. Follow English influencers. Follow influencers on social media who teach English. Their short videos are fun and easy to learn from. Attend online classes. Many institutes offer affordable online courses. Look for a course that fits your level and goal. Conclusion: speaking fluent English in 2025 is possible for anyone who is willing to learn and practice. Follow these steps, use modern tools, and stay consistent. Remember, the key to fluency is practice and patience. Start today, and soon you will be speaking English confidently.